As they go down the road, we say hi-bye to the Maori people of Aotearoa, New Zealand. As they do dances from the land of the long white cloud, their time. Ladies and gentlemen, our dancers now perform the haka of Maori dance of New Zealand.
Come on!
We say Canoe Pageant, with gratitude for performers in New Zealand. Today we still find the lush green forest of Kane and Aotearoa, New Zealand. Now let us welcome the happy people of Samoa with Talofa, dressed in shades of magenta and pink, honoring the people of welcome to Aloha, dressed in hues of blue, representing Waukea's Skyfather in his story realm, our performers and dancers of yesterday and today. on string instruments like the guitar and ukulele, and Hawaiian train modern songs and dances like this. For all of you with dancing from the Island Kingdom, the color of red, representing the beautiful red morning skies of Goma. Skies, we say Mama Pito, thank you to friendly islanders of Tonga. Mexican still enjoy the glow and warmth of the sun. Friends of the final parade of the Tonga, the color is red. The islands of Tonga were once bathed in a cloak of darkness, but Maui, the Polynesian demigod, took the red flames of fire, threw them high above the trees and clouds. Then there was light in the sky, and the morning came flames of different shades of red. Our people of Tonga. Tahiti, the colors yellow and orange. Behind the sun is yellow and orange. When the sun shines in Tahiti, the people are happy for they can go fishing, till the land, and gather their fruits. In Tahiti, we wear yellow and orange as we spend long, warm days with Mahana the sun. Exciting Tahiti. Friends, we invite you now to continue with your walking tours throughout our various islands. We ask that you be adventurous, try the dances, games, food lectures, and demonstrations. Thank you so much for helping our students with their educational goals and for being a part of our Polynesian Cultural Center family. We invite you again one day soon to spend another day with us here in Polynesia. Once again, from all of us to all of you, we say mahalo nui loa and aloha.